Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'll be showing you how I make oven roasted asparagus. To prepare your asparagus, the first thing you'll have to do is cut off the bottom portion. And the way to know how much to cut off is just hold the asparagus in your hand and it have a natural breaking point. It will just snap where it starts to get tough. Use that piece as a guide to cut off the rest of the asparagus so you don't have to break off each one. I just love asparagus. It's my new favorite thing. Now what you want to do is rinse them and then dry them really well before you put them on your pan. If you don't do that, they tend to steam and wilt when they bake, and you don't want that. I like to keep it really simple when it comes to seasoning the asparagus, and I'm just spraying some olive oil over it, and then I'm going to put some salt and black pepper, and that's it. I'll leave a link below of the oil sprayer bottle that I'm using because I really love it, especially for doing things like this, because you get the oil evenly distributed on the food, and not only that, it makes you use less oil. After you toss everything together, make sure you spread them out evenly on the pan and try not to let them touch. Bake at 450 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the thickness of your asparagus. If you have not tried asparagus before, definitely give it a try. You're not going to regret it. Like I said, it's my new favorite thing. I've been eating it like it's going out of style. But oh my god, they're so good. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.